Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sheila Yulalesi Fishamanda. Here I want to retell about Group 10 materials. It is about adopting and adapting an existing course book. Okay, for the first, I want to explain about the definition of adopting and adapting an existing course book. For the definition is adopting and adapting an existing course book is we take or determine the course book that will we use to teach when we teach. Then after that, approach through the book by adjusting student needs and pay attention to the surrounding environment. Okay, there are two kinds of adopting material. There are first is using textbook. This is uh, actually easy way to adopt the materials. The teacher can simply follow right in the selected textbook and its activities materials. For the second is using authentic materials. The teacher can select other more relevant material. These materials used in the day-to-day. Okay, for the next explanation is about adapting materials. There are also two kind of adapting materials. First is consideration and evaluation of material. The teacher adaptation of adapting of materials should reflect the concern of the course objective as well as learning condition and the student learning achievement. For the second is determine the type of adaptation. Format adaptation can be made two ways. First way is altering existing materials, and second way is mediating existing materials. Okay, for the next is part B. Part B in the paper is reliance on the course book with minimal adoption. There are several reasons why teacher may follow the course book closely. For the first reason is the teacher is convinced of the high quality of the course book. For the second reason is the learners wish to cover every part of the course book. Okay, I only tell two reasons about the why the teacher should follow the course books closely. Okay. After that, after that, I tell about several things that the teacher can do to adapt the course book. Okay, for the first, add the content. For the second is change the format. For the third is change the presentation. And the last is add the assessment. Then the teacher can use computers and internet also for during the class activity or class situation that are using in classroom. Okay, there are several ways, but here I'm only tell two ways about use computers and internet. For the first, the use of computers and computer software. Okay, that are use computer and software in self by himself. Assess center and language learning laboratories. Okay, for the second is the use of the internet as a source of information. And then for the material you can choose. For the material you can choose when you want to teach is you can see in how flexible is your teaching situation in terms of your ability to select materials and what criteria do you look for in classroom materials. Okay, that you can choose about that. Okay, from all explanation of about adopting and adapting an existing course book here is for the last is evaluating a course book and presenting the result. Okay, that's all about explanation these materials from group 10. That's all. I'm sorry if I do some mistakes, and thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.